Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mini Cooper AC filter. First, you'll need to locate the cabin air filter housing, typically found under the passenger side glove box. Make sure you have a new replacement filter and a small flathead screwdriver on hand. Always ensure your Mini Cooper is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off before starting any work. Now let's access the filter. Look for the plastic cover of the filter housing under the glove box. Depending on your Mini Cooper model, this cover will be held by either plastic clips or small screws. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open any clips or unscrew the fasteners. Once released, the cover should hinge downwards, revealing the old filter. With the housing open, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the direction of the airflow arrows printed on the filter. This is crucial for proper installation. If there's any debris inside the housing, you can quickly vacuum it out. Now, gently slide the new filter into the slot, ensuring the airflow arrows point in the correct direction. To finish up, simply close the filter housing cover and snap all the clips back into place, or reinsert and tighten any screws. Once secured, start your Mini Cooper and test the AC system to ensure proper airflow and function. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go. Replacing your AC filter regularly improves air quality and system efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.